I've learned probably the most about life from business. And if I can pass that on to my guys through learning something about how to interact with clients or working through a tough thing, they're gonna take that and go use that other places. And that's when I feel like, wow, we're winning. I'm Daniel. I'm the president of ProLine Striping. We're a parking lot maintenance company. We have ProLine Striping to provide an income for me and my family, to provide an income for other guys and their families, and to meet a need in the community. We're the only one in Muscatine that does seal coating and striping. And so that's a huge niche. ProLine does parking lot maintenance. So we do seal coating, striping, crack filling, signs, bollards. We'll install parking stops. We do cold patch asphalt. If it has to do with a parking lot, we can do it, or we'll find somebody that can. ProLine Striping offers great customer care. No one says, hey, I couldn't get a hold of them, or they never called me back. Our guarantee is that we'll call people back in 48 hours. I think that service is huge in the contractor industry. You're not gonna always have to remember in the back of your head, man, how is that project coming along? Where is it at? I'm gonna follow up with you. You're not generating money from having a beautiful looking parking lot. That's not at the top of your list. You want somebody else to take care of that, and that's what we do. We do it year after year after year. Our guys, character, the behind the scenes stuff, that they're trustworthy, that they're fun to be with, it just makes showing up to work in the morning fun, and then it builds such a culture that like we only want amazing people a part of it. I get probably 2 to 3 calls a week saying, hey, I just want you to know, you guys are amazing. So I don't know where you find them, but they're amazing. We want to understand what you need. We want to have a thorough understanding of your project and if what we offer can meet your needs. Call, email, text, whatever works best for you, and let's start a conversation.